The Workers' Compensation Act from time to time allows work comp carriers to send injured workers to what they call independent medical evaluations.
There's nothing independent about these medical examinations other than the requirement usually is that that doctor hasn't treated you before and isn't partners with or associated with the doctors currently treating you.
No patient-physician privilege is attached or relationship is attached to this examination. So what that really means is that the doctor can pretty much do anything they want, say whatever they want, outside of hurting you from a physical standpoint. And what an injured worker doesn't realize is that when they're sent for one of these examinations, the work comp carrier is trying to limit benefits.
It's our experience that if you are asked by your workers' compensation carrier to go to one of these so-called independent medical examinations, you need to immediately call us so that we can help you. Now, there are a few rules about these examinations. The doctor has to videotape them, and the doctor has to provide you with a report at the same time he gives it to the insurance company.
When I prep my injured workers to go to these examinations, I first and foremost tell them that they need to tell the truth. I also tell them this is not an opportunity to overemphasize their pain complaints, but at the same time, it's not an opportunity to underemphasize them. I know that these examiners that are paid for by the work comp carrier, they do things to try to trick the injured worker into doing things that they shouldn't be doing. In other words, I've had stories where a client of mine had a back injury and the doctor dropped his pen just to see if they would pick it up, or they gave him a bottle of water at the beginning of the examination, wanting to see whether or not they would bend over
or
to
reach,
put the water
or reach for it.
Exactly. So I always advise my clients to be very, very aware of their surroundings, not only as they get in and out of their car, but as they go to the waiting room, as they go from the waiting room to the examining room, and as they get on and off that examining table, because all their movements are being watched, and it's an opportunity for the doctor who's getting paid by the carrier to state things on paper that can really jeopardize the injured workers' rights.
It's our experience that many of the doctors who see injured workers for the insurance carriers are good doctors and they try to make a good call. But there are a number of doctors who are really there only to help the insurance company deny part or all of your claim. That's why it's just important. If you're sent on an independent medical exam, call us.
Call us for a free consultation.